If your dream thinks the same, be awesome, then just be awesome. But there's one more thing that we need to know. My dad's butt is out. No. My dad's butt is out. Yeah. So basically, that is what we need to know. Besides from this, what would you say is best? My house. Please say that. I got $20 in my pocket, $20 in my hand, looking for some dollars. This is firing awesome. Firing, you get it like a gun. I'm like a bun, a son getting hit by a gun. Halloween. Oh no, it's Halloween. It's Halloween.
I love trick-or-treaters. They're tasty.
Okay. My brother's a moody old cow. Anyway, what we need to do now is become a rabbit. Like I said in the last video. Trophy. Besides, Angelina Ballerina is about to come to my house. Look, here she is now.